really good. Yeah, hey Paige, Deanna wants to know how you did on vocab today.
I think I did pretty good.
I think she did pretty good. She probably did. Yeah, I'm sure. Yep. Thank you for all your help with her too on all that stuff. Yeah, you did, and that's. Well, yeah, I'm glad. Well, it was really. Sounds good, Mama. Sounds good. Perfect. That sounds perfect. That's what I did today too. Plug mine in. Plug myself in. Oh, I can just renew and you know when I'm done with it. Maybe by the time you guys come up, if you come for Paige's thing, or if you don't, and you come for the. Yeah.